Have you ever wondered how vital your colon health is to your overall well-being? Now, the colon, or large intestine as it is commonly known, has a crucial role to play in our digestive system. It's the last stop in the food processing chain, responsible for absorbing water and electrolytes, forming and expelling feces. Now, imagine the impact on your body if this vital organ is not functioning optimally. The consequences could range from mild discomfort to serious health issues like constipation, bloating, and even colon cancer. Yes, it's that serious. The state of your colon health can significantly influence your overall well-being. Therefore, it is essential to keep this part of your digestive system in top shape. And this is where the concept of a natural colon cleanse comes into play. It's a method to refresh and rejuvenate your colon, and in turn, your health. Understanding the significance of a healthy colon brings us to the topic of natural colon cleanse. But what exactly is a natural colon cleanse? But what does that really mean? Well, in simple terms, it's a process that uses natural foods or herbal solutions to help cleanse the colon This is where a natural colon cleanse comes into play. By incorporating certain foods and herbs into our diet, we can help our body naturally cleanse and improve digestion and nutrient absorption. And the benefit cleanse can lead to increased energy levels, improved digestion, weight loss, and even clearer skin. It's like hitting a reset button for your digestive system. Moreover, it's a holistic approach that supports Embarking on a natural colon cleanse journey requires some steps. Let's delve into this process step by step. First, preparation is key. It's not just about jumping straight in. Before you start, it's important to create an environment that will support your body's natural detoxification process. This includes adopting a diet rich in fiber, fruits and vegetables, and steering clear of processed foods and alcohol. Hydration is also vital. Drinking plenty of water assists the colon in flushing out toxins. Additionally, you might want to consider mental preparation. Some people find it helpful to set an intention or goal for their cleanse. This might be something as simple as feeling more energized or improving digestion. Remember, your mindset can significantly influence your results. The second step is the actual cleanse. There are several natural methods to choose from. One popular method is the use of herbal teas. Certain herbs such as psyllium husk, flax seeds and aloe vera are known for their cleansing properties. Consuming these in tea form can stimulate the colon and encourage the elimination of waste. Another natural method is the use of water, also known as hydrotherapy. This involves drinking ample amounts of water or using a warm water enema to stimulate bowel movements. However, it's important to note that this method should be done under the guidance of a professional to avoid any complications. The third step, post-cleanse, is just as crucial. It's not about returning to old habits. Instead, consider this an opportunity to adopt a healthier lifestyle. Continue with a diet rich in fiber and hydration, and consider regular exercise. Remember, the goal is to support your colon health in the long run. Lastly, it's worth noting that while natural colon cleanses can be beneficial, they're not suitable for everyone. If you have any pre-existing health conditions or are pregnant, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional before undertaking any cleanse. Following these steps will lead to a successful natural colon cleanse. But remember, consistency is key. A single cleanse can provide temporary relief, but maintaining a healthy lifestyle is what truly supports long-term colon health. So embark on this journey with patience and persistence, and you'll surely reap the benefits in due course. Before we wrap up, it's essential to revisit the key points about natural colon cleanse. It's a topic that's worth repeating, considering the important role the colon plays in our overall health. Firstly, a natural colon cleanse isn't just about purging toxins from the body. It's a holistic approach that encompasses a balanced diet rich in fiber, regular exercise, and adequate hydration. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports optimal colon health. We've talked about the importance of fiber in this process. Consuming whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes can significantly improve your colon's health by softening your stool and making it easier to pass, hence reducing the risk of constipation and other digestive issues. Regular exercise too plays an integral role. It helps stimulate the natural contraction of intestinal muscles, aiding in the elimination of waste. So whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a rigorous gym workout, remember, every bit counts. Hydration is another key factor that we've emphasized. Drinking plenty of water helps in softening your stool and promotes regular bowel movements. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and don't forget to include other hydrating foods and beverages in your diet. We've also underscored the benefits of natural colon cleanse. It aids in eliminating waste and toxins from your body, improves digestion, enhances nutrient absorption, and can even contribute to weight loss. But remember, it's not a one-time magic solution. It's a consistent commitment to your health. Lastly, while a natural colon cleanse can be beneficial, it's always prudent to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have existing health conditions. It's about taking a safe and informed approach to your health. So what's the takeaway from all this? A natural colon cleanse is not just about detoxification. It's about adopting a lifestyle that's conducive to maintaining a healthy colon and, ultimately, a healthy body. Taking care of your colon is akin to taking care of your health. A natural colon cleanse is one way to ensure that your colon, and by extension your body, stays in top shape.